Hey, welcome back to the shop. Don't you have one of those days where you clean up and everything is so clean and you want to make a blank and don't want to mess up your bandsaw? Well, I use this discs of different sizes and round my blanks with a chainsaw, and that way you don't have to mess up. And where you put the screw, the center is already marked, like this one here. And we're gonna round this off. Safety glasses just in case I fall there or get hurt. You know. By the way, I made this crack and log that I had. I cut grooves both ways, and this is what I use to cut blanks. Sometimes I don't do a pretty job. As you can see, this one here, I went a bit crooked, but you get what you get. If you're gonna ask me about the DeWalt chainsaw, I love the thing, but when cutting this way, right, you get this like long chips, and they clog up the it doesn't eject the chips very well here. So I don't know, I wish it did, but I mean, it does fine for like cross cuts, but I think every chainsaw has a hard time cutting that way. So anyways, let's see what this is gonna be. Well, it's the same as the other, I guess. I also use these things on the bandsaw, but I think I'm gonna start doing this because it's just less mess in the shop. Nice. Don't have to do with that. Anyways, that concludes my little video. And yes, I promise I'm gonna do a shop tour because I already signed it, and that will be coming up. I'm just waiting for something to arrive that I have to put together, and I'll get that done. So anyways, thanks for hanging out. I'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.